At Bella Beauty College, we strive to simplify your study experience. Enrolling in our course is super easy. All you need is a stable internet connection and a computer, tablet, or smartphone. We recognise the importance of having the right tools, so we've got you covered if you lack the appropriate device for your studies. Simply reach out to one of our friendly course consultants and we'll ensure you have the necessary equipment to kickstart your learning journey. Your success matters to us, and we understand that everyone faces unique challenges. If you have any injuries or learning difficulties that may impact your course completion, please inform us. We are committed to providing additional support tailored to your needs, ensuring you successfully navigate your studies and progress on a rewarding path to becoming a beauty professional.